Well, for me, I believe that the Bankers Cup really showcases an individual that have made substantial progress in our town and dedication to that vision.
I believe that the person that would win this award has to have a number of important qualities, including being able to give back to the community, looking at different ways of helping different sectors, particularly not-for-profits, and just being an overall person that really wants to make our community move forward.
I think it's distinguished because, for starters, it's voted for by people who've won the Bankers Cup in the past. So you are joining a long list of notable leaders in this community who've made a difference. Therefore, they recognise somebody who's also made a big difference in some way, shape or form.
So to describe this individual, I would definitely say he is optimistic, dedicated to our town.
A very family-oriented person, and in the companies that he's involved with, he also treats employees like family.
Speaks when he can add value, doesn't speak for the sake of it. Very unlike me.
He's also one that can take a perspective that perhaps is different than what you would expect, and part of that is his expression of saying, I'm going to take a 10,000-foot view on this.
10 years ago, Winter Haven was kind of struggling to have some people in town that actually had an overall vision for what the town could be, and he was optimistic and progressive and had a ginormous vision for what Winter Haven is and can be.
What is the end game? And some people can do that by pulling on different examples from different cities in this instance or what have you. But to bring a team of people or bring a people to a certain goal or a big hairy-ass goal, it is a skill that not everybody can do. And he has the ability to articulate, but also bring people with him to that vision. And that's a very, very rare skill.
It's really unusual to see someone have a vision that's so far out in the future and believing so big for their city, and then also having the heart to see it through.
A lot of times entrepreneurs are, how do I say, scared to make the jump or fearful, and he took the jump for our town.
A developer or a person who loves a city, who has care first and then the business wisdom and all the understanding to pull it off, can make a tremendous difference.
All vibrant, successful communities have an art component to them, and this person figured that out, and mostly at his own expense and his company's expense, have made a lot of those murals available for downtown.
Walkability has really increased. Everything is pretty much filled. It was just beautiful when you come downtown and see everything that's happening compared to 10 years ago. It's just it's really exciting to be a part of. I couldn't love this town more, and I'm very happy that he helped build it where it is today.
He's just been an inspiration to us, to others around the country, and you may not know it, but people all around America are hearing stories about what's happening in Winter Haven.
I think, Bud, I'm so pleased that you've won this award. Nobody deserves it more, and I'm amazed, as I've said several times, how you haven't already won this award. But I just want to say thanks for our friendship. Thanks for being a great, great ally to Legoland and myself. Winter Haven owes you a debt, and I think that this is our opportunity to thank you from the heart and say thank you for what you've done, and thank you from me for being a great mate.
Bud, you are a special man. It says so much about you that you just humbly serve and keep trying and keep pushing, and that you've accomplished so much there. And so we're here today just to say thank you. Thank you for caring so much. And to keep doing it. You get up every day more excited than the last to love Winter Haven, and it's something I admire.
If I was a karaoke singer, which I'm not, I would sing Don't Stop Believing. And you believed in me, you believed in a lot of other people in town, so never give up that dream of believing in all of us young entrepreneurs going forward. So cheers to you.
As such a great friend, I'd like to say, and this Bud's for you. You guys like Bud Light?